Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. During this video, if you find the information useful, please like this video. Remember that a lot of hard work is done in the background to get you all this information. Today is Wednesday, 20th of July 2022. Let's look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold without VAT is 206.66 and with VAT is 237.65. For 22 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 189.71 and with VAT is 218.17. 21 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 180.82 and with VAT is 207.94. 18 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 154.99 and with VAT is 178.24. 14 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 120.89 and with VAT is 139.02. 10 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 86.17 and with VAT is 99.10. 6 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 51.66 and with VAT is 59.41. Keeping in mind the VAT rate in Saudi Arabia is 15%. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friend and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.